I'm sure you've heard the news. Sign language is transforming classrooms everywhere. Ready to join the movement? Unlock the power of sign language in early childhood education with our complete guide and online learning. Transform your teaching and create an inclusive, communicative learning environment with harnessing the power of sign language. This comprehensive guide is a must-have resource for educators, parents, and caregivers, offering practical tools to seamlessly incorporate ASL into daily routines. From basics to songs, games, and stories, this book provides step-by-step instructions, engaging activities, and expert insights to promote language development, social-emotional growth, and inclusive communication. Plus, you'll get access to our DropBox with videos for signs, songs, games, and more. Ready to transform your teaching? Visit our website now to get started. Visit www.timetosign.com, our store for online learning. Let's make learning fun and inclusive together.